What's up guys, I'm Kalin sir from KD Tech. Okay, we all together here to discuss about something important, and it is upcoming Apple iPhone 11, and also we can call this that Apple iPhone like XI. I'm telling it XI because the last phone was Apple X, and I think maybe this is going to be Apple XI. Okay, whatever, we can see it tomorrow. Because tomorrow is the day then launching Apple XI is September 10th. And okay, we'll see what what is new with Apple iPhone 11. Here you can see some features like these are the features. Maybe these are coming with Apple iPhone 11. Whatever, we can see it tomorrow, but we'll talk about this today. And okay, we will start from the beginning. First point, wide angle camera with the smart frame. This is the camera, and if you remember in the old version of Apple phones like Apple 6, 8, and there were only one camera, and when it's improving, when it's coming to Apple XI, they put second camera also, and in this XI you can see there is three cameras, and we don't know what is the third camera for. Maybe for there is you can there are some maybe surprising things that are going, so we don't know. And in my head there is an idea what is this third camera doing. Okay, it is what it belongs to another topic, so we'll talk about this in that topic. We will not belong to this topic, and okay, we'll go to our point, and it is about the cameras. And okay, I think this is going to be awesome, and it has a cool look. Okay, we'll see the next point. And new software update. Actually, it have arrived also. The software update iOS 13, and you can see here the black screen. It's a feature of Apple 13, iOS 13, and I think this is going to be compared with Apple 11, come with Apple 11, and maybe there is a new software update coming with Apple 11, and we don't know about it still. I think in this photo also you can see only the Apple. I think it's the software update iOS 13, and we'll see. Okay, the next point is before that I have no pictures to show you. This is a picture of Apple iPhone X. You can see in the down of that picture. I think this is something for I think to your finger or something. Okay, whatever, we will see it after arrived of the Apple iPhone 11 tomorrow. Okay, and which I have in this picture there is a pen with this. Some phones like Samsung Note phones, there is supposed to this is the pen, and I think Apple also going to put this pen also inside this Apple iPhone X. It's going to be awesome. Okay, we'll see what's with it, and we'll move to the next. This is a picture. I think various sizes of Apple iPhone X. This belongs to another topic, and this is the various sizes. I think like there are three sizes usually for phones, and I think Apple iPhone 11 is also coming from not for three sizes. I think only the big size and biggest size. We'll see it after. The color, you can see there are various colors of Apple iPhone 11: red, green, gray, and black. And usually there are many colors of Apple iPhone X. And we see it. Here you can find it more soon. in this photo you can see the curved shape, not a box. It is curved shape and it's also something belongs to the you know okay, whatever. It's something belongs to the Apple 11, I mean Apple company. It's a piece of it like that, curved shape, and this is the topic I told you about that. The camera, it will be a revolution of gaming industries. Like that, I told something like that because the camera may be something like for gaming or with our environment. I think this a new technology coming, or maybe for virtual reality technology or something. We don't know. And another specialty of this is A13 chip, and it is making the phone fast, and we can see best performance from Apple iPhone 11. I think it's going to be cool. Okay, we'll see after this count. And here you can see the camera and the chip. The chip you can see is a very small chip, and here we can see the Apple logo in here on some photos. Usually Apple, the Apple logo is coming for a single color, like pink color or something, but in this you can see the rainbow colors for Apple logo, and I think this is going to be the new Apple logo or something. There's something like these two logos. We'll see. There are types of phones, like in Apple X they have the lowest price and low quality phone was Apple XR, and from that Apple XS and Apple XS Max. You can remember from this picture you can see the down there Apple 11 Pro Max, and it's something like here you can see this is the successor to the iPhone XS Max, and here you can in here I told about the A13 chip. Here in here also you can see it, and you can see the 6GB RAM and about this processor, and you can see the pen also is there, everything I told you. And I think the Apple 11 also have some features like the phones like types of phones like Apple iPhone 11, Apple iPhone 11 Pro, and Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, that's why only I want to share with you. I told you everything I know, and there is a comment section down below. Put your ideas also to it, and tomorrow we can see what's new. If you know, if you got some details about Apple iPhone 11, share with me down in the comment section. I'm going to check it too, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you. I'm Khan.